I welcome you to the lecture series on practical machine learning using Python. And today our topic is how to review the skewness of attribute distribution. That is reviewing skew of attribute distribution. Well, I hope you all know that what does it mean by skew. Okay. So skewness may be defined as the distribution that is assumed to be Gaussian but appears distorted or shifted in one direction or another, either to the left or right. So, reviewing the skewness of attributes is one of the important tasks due to the following reasons. And what are they? First of all, presence of skewness in data requires the corrections at data preparation stage so that we can get more accuracy from our model. Means if you analyze this skewness and if you detect the presence of skewness at the data preparation stage itself, then it will help you to reach the sufficient accuracy level of your model. Okay, so most of the ML algorithms in machine learning algorithm assumes that the data has a Gaussian distribution, that is either normal or bell curve data. Now, in Python, we can easily calculate the skew of each attribute using skew function. So, students, you know this is the case of only one function. So, why not you just analyze the skewness using this function? You need to remember one function only, skew, SKEW function, and from pandas data frame. Okay, so suppose in this case, this last lecture you have seen that I have analyzed the correlation matrix, and there we already have the data. So let's see their skewness. So print data.skew. Okay, so these values will be printed. Brag 0.90, 0.17, press minus 1.84. You can underline it, you can mark it. Then skin 0.11, there's 2.27, then mass 0.40, PD 1.92, ACE 1.1T, class 0.64, and data type is not is our float 64. So you see that from this output, positive, negative skew we may observe. If the value is closer to 0, then it shows less skew. Note it down. If the value is closer to 0, then it shows less skew. Okay, so let's do this practical. Continuing the previous lecture's practical, I'm going to implement it for the same data set. So you open your slider and type this line, print data.skew. Okay, continuation of the previous lecture's code. So type it and execute this with the single statement or current line statement execution. You got this value. So clear? Same value we are getting? Okay. So this will no doubt help you to analyze the skewness of the data attributes. Okay. So today you got that why do we analyze skewness and why it is important at the data preparation stage, okay, so that our model will get or will achieve the desired accuracy level. So today's question is that if I get a value using these skew functions, if I get a value that is nearer to 0, then what should it exactly imply? Got my point? So if I get a value nearer to 0, what does it actually imply? So comment your answer and don't skip the practical. Meet you in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.